Hi everyone. So today I wanted to show you how to optimize and defrag your Windows hard drive. Over time, the disk can become quite fragmented, and so it ultimately slows down the machine, and you might not notice that because it's a slow degradation. So what you need to do is use the inbuilt optimize and defrag feature of Windows 10. Quite easy to do. So to get to that, just go into the Windows 10 search bar and type in defrag, D-E-F-R-A-G, and you'll see the option appear, Defragment and Optimize Drives. Left click on that, and the window that it pulls up will highlight your drives. In this machine, I've only got one, which is the C drive. Your PC may have multiple drives depending on your configuration. All you need to do is select the drive you want to optimize and defrag, and then click this button here, optimize. Mine's been done already, so this will only take a few seconds, but if I left click just to show you, optimize, you can see it's doing it, 100% done. If your machine is incredibly cluttered and it's been weeks or months since you've last done that or not done it at all, this could take minutes or even hours to complete. But once it's done, you will notice a difference in the performance of your machine just because your processor will have less load when trying to find files and applications on the hard drive. One recommendation I would say is if you look here, you can schedule an optimization. Mine's currently switched to off because I do it manually, but I would recommend to turn it on. All you do is left click on the option to turn it on, and then check the button that says run this on a schedule. So click left, weekly is absolutely fine, and then click OK. And so now this will be done automatically and you won't need to worry about that again. Anyway, hope that helps. I completely recommend that you defrag on a regular basis, and I'll see you in the next video.